Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today in this video we are going to discuss IKMC past paper of 2017, and the level of this past paper is Benjamin level, which is for grade 6 and 5. So today in this video we are going to discuss question number 6 till 10. As you all know that we have started a series of videos in which we are discussing five questions in each video. So question number 6. Jen, Kate, and Len go for a walk. There are three uh, people, or you can say that there are three animal. Jane walks up front, Kate walks in middle, and Lane walks behind. So this is the sequence. Jane is in front. I can write down the sequence here. Jane is in front, Kate is in middle, and Lane is behind. Now Jane weighs 500 kg more than Kate. It means that Jane's weight is 500 kg more. 500 kg more weight than Kate. So it means that he is heavier and this is lighter. Now the next thing is written, Kate weighs 1000 kg less than Lane. This Kate is 1000 kg less than Lane. So this is still lighter and this is heavier than Kate. So this is 1000 kg heavier and Kate is 1000 kg lesser. So it means that this Kate has to be smallest as compared to both of them. So in all of the options, only this option has the smallest. Only this option has the smallest animal as compared to the right and left. So let's verify. Jane is 500 kg heavier than Kate, and Kate is 1000 kg lesser than the Lane, and Lane is also heavier than Jane. So yes, this is the correct option. And why these options are incorrect? As you can see that Jane has to be heavier than Kate. So here it is lesser than Kate, and this is lesser than Kate. So these are not the options. And Lane has to be heavier than 1000 kg heavier than Kate. So this is also not the option because this is lesser as compared to this. And in this is also lesser in this video, in this task, in this option. So A is the correct answer. Let's move towards the second question number 7. A spatial dice has a number on each face. The sums of the numbers on opposite faces are all equal. It means that if you have a dice, so on the opposite faces, if you will find out the sum of the numbers of the opposite faces, it will be equal. 5 of the numbers are given. What number is on the sixth face? You have to notice that this is a spatial dice. It means that this is not the normal dice which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. This is the spatial dice which has 5, 6, 9, 11, and 14 as the number. So if we look at these numbers carefully, we have to find out the sixth face. So 9 plus 1 is 20 and 6 plus 14 is also 20. So it means that 5 plus what makes 20? Obviously 5 plus 15 will make 20. So the correct option is E. The sixth face is representing 15. Question number 8. Martin wants to color the squares of the rectangle so that 1/3 of all squares are blue. As we have done the practice that 1/3 of all squares means we have to write 1/3 Of means multiplication. How many all squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 6, 12. 12 and 6, 18. So if we will solve it, 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. So 6 squares of the rectangle are colored blue. So we can color this as blue. 6 rectangle, 6 squares are blue. Actually, this is not blue color, but let's assume that this is blue color. Okay, now half of all squares are yellow. Total are 18. So half of them are colored yellow. It means that this 9 squares are colored yellow. The rest of the squares are to be colored red. So these squares to be colored red. So 3 squares colored to be red. So C is the correct option. Question number 9. While Peter is solving 2 problems on the kangaroo contest, Nick manages to solve 3 problems. Totally, the boys solved 30 problems. How many problems did Nick solve more than Peter? Okay, so this is very easy question. That Peter is solving 2 problems. Let me change the color. Peter is solving 2 problems and Nick is managing to solve 3 problems. So both of the boys has solved 30 problems. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. This is, if Peter will solve 4 problems, so Nick will solve 6 problems. 4 plus 6 is 10. So if 4 plus 6 are making 10, so it means that 12 plus 16, 12 plus 18 will make 30. Why? Because 10 threes are 30, so 4 threes are 12 and 6 threes are 18. I have multiplied all of the numbers with 3 because I want to get 30. So 10 multiplied by 3 is 30. 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So 12 plus 18 is equal to 30. It means that Peter has solved 12 questions. Nick has solved 18 questions. Now, what is the question? How many problems did Nick solve more than Peter? So 6 questions solved, Nick solved more than Peter. So B is the correct option. Let's see question number 10. In question number 10, Bob folded a piece of paper, used a hole puncher and punched exactly 1 hole in the paper. The unfolded paper can be seen in the picture. Bob folded a piece of paper. Sorry. The unfolded paper can be seen in the picture. Let me figure it. Okay. So which of the following pictures shows the lines along with which Bob folded the piece of paper? So a hole puncher and punch exactly 1 hole in the paper. So we can see that these are 4 punches which are punched diagonally. So it means that these 3 options cannot be considered because these are not the diagonal wrapping. If we will wrap diagonally, then we will get this diagonal punches. Now let's compare A and D. If we will fold the paper in this manner, so this is telling us that this half will be folded by this half, and then this half will be folded by this half. So we will get only one side. So It means that if we will punch here, so we will get one hole on the other side and one hole here in this side, one hole in this side. So this is not the correct option. But if we will fold like this, so we will get the punch in here, here, here as well, and here as well. So D is the correct option. I hope, bacho, you all have understood these questions. So stay tuned with the videos. You will get more information for IKMC, and you will get more explanation in the next videos as well. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.